Installation of the ultra-thin eye-warm underfloor mat heating system. Choosing the thermostat location and wall area preparation. Installation of the eye-warm heating mats also begins with the selection and preparation of a suitable place for the thermostat. Here we show a thermostat installation method using the connection box required for the connection of the mat cold leads and the temperature sensor wire to the thermostat mounted at a height of 1 meter and more above the floor level. Wall holes should be drilled at chosen places for the thermostat box and the connection box, and chisel out channels for the power supply wires, the mat cold leads and the temperature sensor. A wide channel should be chiseled out in the subfloor for the floor temperature sensor. The power supply wires must be routed to the thermostat. At that, the conductor cross-section should be in accordance with the operating current of the floor heating system. Local electrical codes and electrical installation rules have to be observed. Subfloor preparation. The floor base intended for heating mats installation should be even, free from cracks and potholes. To remove the construction debris prior to the floor heating system installation, brush cleaning of the room is required. Then the subfloor should be primed with a deepened grounding solution to improve the surface adhesion to the tile adhesive. Then it is required to mark the places where heating system installation is not required, for example, under stationary furniture, sanitary ware, and so on. Please take also into account that the heating area should be at least 5 centimeters away from any wall. Heating mats placement. Place the chosen mat in the pre-selected area. In order to fit the mat to the area configuration, it is necessary to cut the mesh into fragments. Take care to avoid heating cable damage. Exclude the overlapping of heating mat fragments. Keep the distance constant between the cable loops. Never use one and the same mat for the heating of different types of premises, such as a bathroom, a hallway, or a kitchen. It is also not recommended to use the same mat for the heating of premises with different floor construction. For this purpose, independent mats and corresponding thermostats should be installed. Lay the heating mat with the mesh adhesive downside on the subfloor. Make sure that the floor temperature sensor is centered between 2 coils of the heating cable. Then it is necessary to route the mat cold leads via the chiseled channels on the wall to the location of the connection box and farther to the thermostat. Make sure there are no wire breaks after the routing. In order to check the heating mat and the temperature sensor were not damaged during the installation, resistance readings should be taken before, during, and after the installation. The readings should confirm their technical data stated in the heating mat manual. Warranty certificate and the plan of the premises. According to the manufacturer's warranty assurance requirements, sketch the diagram of the heating mat, the couplings, the terminations, and the temperature sensor location into the premises plan included in the appendix of the warm floor installation and operation manual. Installing and fastening the temperature sensor and the thermostat. Place the temperature sensor into the tube, which is included in the eye-warm heating kit. The sensor must be placed inside the tube close to its end. Its connecting wire must be exposed from the opposite end of the tube. The tube end with the sensor must be sealed to avoid ingress of tile adhesive. Place the tube with the sensor in the chiseled channel and route it to the connection box. The tube's bending radius must be a minimum of 5 centimeters. Fill the chiseled floor channel with tile adhesive or grout. Mark out the area on the subfloor where the sensor is fitted. The ends of the cold leads and of the temperature sensor connection wires should be solder welded and connected to the connection box terminals. Then the wires from the box should be routed to the thermostat. Check the electrical connections. Then power the system on for approximately 1 minute and test its operability. The LED on the thermostat's front panel should light and the mat's heating begins. Disconnect the power supply reliably from the system until its final start-up. Pouring the tile adhesive solution. After checking the system, the tile adhesive solution can be poured on the heating mat. This layer should be 5 to 8 millimeters. The adhesive layer should be 5 to 8 millimeters. Let it dry according to the manufacturer's manual of preparation and application of the used tile adhesive. When the tile adhesive is dry, it is necessary to check if the heating mat and the temperature sensor were damaged during installation. Resistance readings of the heating mat and the temperature sensor should be taken. These readings should confirm their technical certificate data. Fill the chiseled channels in the wall, which lead the supply wires, earth circuit, cold leads, and the temperature sensor wires in their tube with tile adhesive or ground. The underfloor heating system can be turned on only when tile adhesive solution in the floor is fully dry. The SST company thanks you for your time and attention. We hope that this visual instruction will help you with the installation of the eye-warm floor heating system. We are sure that this product will come up to your expectation and bring warmth and comfort to your home.